When choosing a membership plan, consider how many EchoTrade portfolios you need. Each plan gives you a set number of portfolio keys. One key unlocks one portfolio per month. For more portfolios, choose a plan with more keys, and you can change plans at any time. After selecting a plan, you're ready to unlock your first portfolio. On the dashboard, you'll see your available keys. Search for portfolios in the marketplace and use filters to find the right one for you. View detailed information on the firm, performance, and interviews with the portfolio managers. Once you've made your decision, click Unlock Portfolio. Once you've unlocked your portfolio, this profile page will reveal the portfolio position details, trade history, and you'll receive real-time SMS and email trade notifications. And under the Unlocked tab on the news feed, you will see exclusive market analysis and commentary on portfolio trades directly from the portfolio manager. Congratulations, you now have unprecedented access to Wall Street's finest.